Here's how to deposit a check in the Lloyds Bank app. So first log into your Lloyds Bank mobile banking app, then choose the account where you want to deposit the check, then tap on the three-dot menu and select Deposit Cheque. Then you need to make sure that the check is less than 6 months old and that the recipient's name is correct. Enter the amount written on the check. Then optionally you can add a reference to help you remember who the money is from or the purpose of the check. Then capture the front of the check, so select front of check and if prompted, allow access to your camera. Place the check on a flat surface with a dark background so that it is well visible. Then hold your phone level and directly above it. When a green border appears around the check, hold still until the app captures the image. Then capture the back of the check, so select back of check and repeat the process even if the back is blank. Then confirm the deposit, so review the check details and confirm the deposit, and then hold onto the check until the money is in your account. Once the funds are available, you can safely destroy the check. So that's how to deposit a check in the Lloyds Bank app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.